Want to swap USDT on BNB chain to OPETH on Optimism? Here's a simple step-by-step guide. First, make sure you have USDT in your decentralized wallet on the BNB chain, that's BEP20 USDT. Next, open a trusted bridge platform and look for the option to bridge tokens. Now select your source and destination blockchains. Choose from BNB chain to Optimism. Enter the amount you want to bridge, then click on Bridge and confirm the transaction in your wallet. Once the bridging is complete, switch your wallet network from BNB chain to Optimism. You'll now see your OPETH in your wallet on the Optimism network. To swap back from OPETH to USDT on BNB chain, just follow the same steps in reverse. Choose from Optimism and to BNB chain. That's it. Bridging made simple. Like and follow for more crypto guides.